In this video, we'll guide you on how to generate a postback link to share with an advertiser, either campaign-based or advertiser-based. Navigate to the campaign section and select Postback. Choose the type, either advertiser or campaign. If you select advertiser, choose an advertiser from the drop-down list. If you select campaign, choose a campaign from the existing campaign list. For this example, let's select advertiser and choose an advertiser from the drop-down. Next, select the postback URL type, postback URL, image pixel, or iframe pixel. Select any required macros from the provided options and, if needed, replace their values by updating the replace _ it placeholder. Click the Generate URL button to create the postback link. The generated postback URL will be displayed in the tracking URL section. Now we can share this based with the advertiser.